With the invention of the wheel came the need for a smoother path to transverse, thus the road was born. From time immemorial, man has been building roads and paths to connect cities and towns across the globe. Naturally, as time and industry progressed, this led to the design and engineering of road construction machines, some of which are so amazing they will make your jaw drop. Today, we're going to check out 10 insane road construction vehicles. The Tiger Stone. Construction workers have always had a hard time laying down bricks for paved roads, but then came the superhero of paving, the Tiger Stone. The Tiger Stone is an awesome construction vehicle that has completely automated the bricklaying process. Built by Henk van Kwijik, the director of a Dutch industrial company called GAMAKO, the Tiger Stone is a revolutionary machine for the road construction industry. The Tiger Stone is fed with loose bricks by workers who stand on a platform on the vehicle. Then gravity takes over and causes the bricks to slide together in one road-wide sheet down onto the sand. The electrically powered machine can lay roads between 13 and 29 feet wide. Hotmix Volumetric Asphalt Mixer Trucks. The Hotmix truck, otherwise known as a volumetric asphalt mixer truck, is the latest innovation in road construction and repair. Hotmix trucks are a new technology that can speed up the spreading and patching of asphalt surfaces. The trucks are perfect for road contractors who produce fresh, hot asphalt mixes on demand, because the mix can be adjusted and prepared to be laid right away. The volumetric truck holds all the materials needed to produce concrete in separate bins, which are mixed and blended on demand to produce fresh concrete and asphalt. Regardless of where you're constructing a road, the advantage of an asphalt volumetric truck is that the material is always fresh. Velocity Road Patcher. Check out this beauty. This Velocity road patching vehicle can permanently repair a pothole in just 2 minutes. The patcher is so fast it fills the hole in just a fraction of the time taken by a conventional repair gang. In fact, it takes just 3 simple steps to complete the process. High velocity air is used to remove all dust and debris from the defect in the road. Then the defect is sealed by forcing a cold bitumen emulsion into every crack and crevice. Finally, a high velocity hose is used to fire an aggregate mix and evenly coat the granules with bitumen emulsion, and voila, the pothole is fixed. Just 4 teams using the Velocity Road Patcher can repair 150 potholes per day. Zipper truck. Have you ever seen a zipper truck, also called a barrier transfer machine, in action? It's like ASMR watching one of these guys reposition road barriers like the ones you see on the Golden Gate Bridge. They are called zipper trucks because they look like they're zipping up the road. Movable median barriers aren't like fixed concrete barriers. They can be repositioned anywhere using a zipper truck, which can zip up an MMB system more than 13,000 feet long. MMB systems are made of high-density concrete that are connected together to form a barrier, and when they need to be moved, it's the zipper truck that's called into action to zip them in place. Asphalt Paver. An asphalt paver is also called an asphalt finisher or paving machinery. It's a machine that's used to lay asphalt on the surface of a road, parking lot, bridge, or any facility requiring asphalt. It's also used to perform minor compaction before a roller takes over. When the machine gets started, the asphalt from a dump truck is placed into the paver's hopper. The conveyor then moves the asphalt from the hopper to the auger, placing a heap of asphalt in front of a screed, which spreads the asphalt across the road to provide initial compaction. Kontur 700 TPK STIM road painting vehicle. Check out the Kontur 700 TPK STIM, a road painting machine made in Belarus. This baby can paint roads on its own, meaning it doesn't need an operator or crew. It's used for painting asphalt or concrete roads with thermoplastic and quick-drying enamel paint, and boy, is this thing fast. It has sprayers on both sides of the vehicle, which means it can paint lines on either side up to 15 inches wide. The road painting vehicle is 19 feet long and weighs 3.5 tons. Where it can operate unmanned, it also has space for 2 people. The 84 horsepower vehicle comes with a paint tank that can hold 92 gallons of paint and has a painting capacity of 5 kilometers per hour. 5700D Power Kerber. The 5700D Power Kerber is a US-manufactured new-generation road construction vehicle used to concrete slip-form paving, although it can be used for road barriers too. This massive piece of machinery is almost 20 feet long and weighs a good 11.2 tons. Currently, the 5700D Power Kerber is the largest concrete slip-form machine in the world that provides contractors a new level of responsiveness, simplicity, and precision. Although it's quite long, it's still considered compact in size and makes tight site jobs easier than ever. An all-in-one solution, it handles curb and gutter work, highway safety barriers, irrigation ditches, sidewalks, and other special applications. Due to its compact size, it can also be transported easily. MT3002 Elvogele. Check out this cute but dynamic material feeder. It's a real cutting-edge construction vehicle that ensures a constantly high flow of mix in different applications. Whether it's a conventional large-scale road construction site needing a supply of asphalt, or a trench running alongside a roadway that needs to be backfilled, the MT3002 Elvogele, with its pivoting conveyor, is the ultimate solution. This is an innovative feed concept that provides maximized conveying capacity and features an Ergo Plus operating concept that makes the paving operation simple, efficient, and safe. Vogele Super 3002. When it comes to asphalt pavers, nothing can beat the Vogele Super 3002. This baby makes all other pavers look like toys. It's the flagship vehicle of Vogele's fleet of pavers. It's the best machine in a road builder's arsenal when a superior quality of paving is required on a tight schedule. The Vogele Super 3002 is capable of handling any type of road construction material, be it gravel, lean mixed concrete, or asphalt. The enormous road paver can build pavement accurately, making it true to line, level, and with perfect surface density. GAMAKO GP3. Speaking of giant machines, it doesn't get any better than the Gomaco GP3, which took 50 years of experience to develop. The GP3 is one of the smartest road packaging machines in the world. It's used for paving floor coverings up to 30 feet and can adapt pretty fast to any desirable size. It features smart telescoping for maximum frame expansion and comes with an automatic steering configuration. It even has a very sensitive sensor to provide high performance and optimum fuel consumption. The fully automated machine enables simplified operation for continuous concrete placement under any condition. We hope you liked this video. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.